Welcome back. So this time I'm going to be pouring on a round wood panel. This is a 20 centimeter diameter wood panel. It's really nice and flat and smooth. And I'm going to pour my base as black. So I've poured approximately 50% paint, 50% Floetrol, and some water in here for the black. And I'm going to use my leftover paint from the previous video to do a Dutch pour. So let's just spread that around. Not very neatly, but you know, it's all good. Just want to get to the pouring part. I'm sure you know this, you know how I feel. And then I'll do the edges really just very briefly, because I'll just fix everything else off camera. I won't worry about my edges just now. So let's pop any air bubbles. And then let's just pour that leftover paint. So there's a bit of purple. Actually, I was wondering if should we put some silicone? Why not? Let's just put some silicone. We'll try to do about a drop in each color. One in the purple, one in the pink, blue, and in the yellow, because there's not much paint in there, so there's no need to put a whole heap of silicone. Let's get that sorted. Hardly any blue left actually, but that's okay. Let's try the purple first. Then we'll do the pink. Then blue. And then the leftover yellow. Okay. Let's add a little bit more black all the way around. And get the hairdryer out. My cups are flying onto the floor. Oh dear. Okay. See what happens. Let's torch. Not too much happening. Let's blow around the edges a little. Get the paint moving quite a bit. Should make it react a little bit. Create a bit of a spider-like focal point here in the middle. That's funky. I'm going to get the paint around here, move it a little bit more. Okay, it's pretty funky. I'm going to torch it one more time. I love it. Really do love it. I'll fix my edges off camera and I'll show you what's going on down here. There she is. Let's see up close. So cool stuff happening on the black here. Beautiful little lacing forming everywhere in the purple and in the blue. Few cells coming up to the surface. There might be a little bit more later on. I love this section here. Oh, so pretty. And then I love how it feathers out into the black. Sorry about the glare and the shadows, guys. Okay, what do you think? Do you like it? Love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a little comment to let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe, and that will mean that you're enjoying what I'm showing you and that I should provide more videos for you to watch. Thanks, guys. See you next time.